channel. I really appreciate your support till now. Today I'm gonna be cooking you a tenderloin cut. So I decided to honor my favorite cut with a beautiful Gyo Japanese knife. As you can see, I'm showing it to you right now. It's called also a MasterChef knife. So today I'm cooking you a 500-gram tenderloin cut. As you can see, it's a beautiful cut. Okay guys, so we're gonna use salt and pepper. Simple, easy. Mix together, just like that. And then just add it on the steak. Easy. You want to sort of push it a little bit. We're gonna do the other side. We're gonna also do the sides of the steak as well. So now we're using the same trick as last time. I'm gonna just kinda rub some oil on a paper towel, just like that. We're gonna brush it on the pan. We're gonna now put the steak on the grill. You wanna hear that sound? We're using about medium to high heat. You wanna cook it on each side for about like 1.5 minutes. Here's our steak after we flipped it. And right here we're cooking some crepes to kind of wrap it up and do something similar to beef Wellington. So now guys, we wrapped our steak with some crepes. So we do something similar to beef Wellington, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. Now we're gonna put it in the oven on 150 degrees for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now we're gonna cut it and see what's inside. As you can see, beautiful medium rare to medium steak.